Hello, friends. Hi, my name is Rajendra Bhatia, and I'm here to talk something about very interesting aspect of design career. Friends, a lot of people I've seen that they have got a, an apprehension towards design, the creative ability particularly. Friends, I'm here to ease out that one aspect. I know that in all the competitive exams of design, there are two parts. One is the aptitude, the design aptitude. The other part is the creative ability, the sketching particularly. And friends, let me tell you, the creative ability is a kind of a apprehension, the hawa of youngsters as to my ability may not be matching the best of the designer. That need not to be there. In fact, a lot of designers are successful with their understanding of design and just enough good to display their design to make it understand. However, friends, to give you more confidence on your ability of creating a design, let me handle this today with the best of the possibilities. Now, best of the possibility will come when you are able to handle the most difficult design very easily. And that's what we do in Creativedge, the subsidiary of Top Ranker. Friends, what do you think is most difficult? A human figure in design? Or even so, friends, what is most difficult in design? In sketching? Most of my students have been complaining that they get problem in doing a human diagram, uh, and more so when we ask them to do the portrait, the face. Now let us get on with this kind of a drawing where difficulty area is too much, and I try to ease it out right here only. Let us go ahead doing a face. Now, how the face is like? The face is made up of a sphere and a cone. So, how to represent it on a two-dimension paper? A sphere has to be reduced to a circle and a cone to a triangle. And let us get on with doing it. And you realize, yes, design is so very simple. When difficult things can be done so easily, easy things can be done even more easily. So let's get it started. Let us say that this is the size of the head that you want to draw. I am making some maps in the picture. So please follow the mapping. You take the size of the length of the head. Okay. Let us divide it into two parts because the sphere that you see in head is 3/4 and 1/4 is the cone. So what we have done, firstly divided into two parts, and the lower half we have divided again into two parts. So you get 3/4 here, 1/4 here. Now we draw horizontal line. Firstly divide this length, the 3/4 length, into two halves, and then we draw 4 squares. How do we take the circle? Join the four arches on the cross line with help of maximum possible curvature. We join arches with maximum possible curvature. Now to this circle, we already have got two parts of this. We again divide. See, when you look at your head, you find that there is a little pocket here. Run your hand onto your head. You find that there are a couple of pockets here. How to find out those pockets on your circle will be like this. You already have got two semicircles. Divide those two semicircles again into two halves and again into two halves. Then we take a little curvature towards this 1/8 portion here, 1/8 portion of the horizontal line on this side. From here, we continuously draw two lines, and if it is a male face, then we continue it right up to the square. And join it here at the chin level. Having done this much, I try to reduce the construction line. Remember, friends, when you are drawing it, you need not to take those hard lines. I'm taking hard lines only that my audience should be able to see the video very clearly and should be able to see the lines, construction lines also very clearly. But construction lines are not generally taken that hard on the paper. They are constructed very light, something like this feeble. Now at the middle portion of this initial circle, the 3/4 circle, you got a line here. That line is the line of eyebrow. You can remove the straight line also, the construction line. Below this articulated eyebrow, you should have two arches, but joining at the ends. After these two arches, that is the upper eyelid, we draw an almond on each side and take the cornea, which is seen half. Cornea is this black portion of the eye. I'll repeat what I have done here. Two arches, which are joined at the ends. Down below, I take a little almond shape on each side. This is the maximum area, which is 1/3 from the corner, outer corner. and I draw the cornea, the black portion of the eye, black, green, blue, depending on different races. Okay, that too about 3/4, not the full. Then shade it a little as per the color of the eye, but the middle pupil portion you should be making it dark. Give a little light onto it, that will give a little curvature in the look. But the light should be on the same side for both the eyes. That means as if the light is coming from right side. A little inside line of the eye, although those many details may not be required in design. But since I know the process, so I am doing it. Remember, the nose starts from the eyebrow and not from the eye. And the eye is nothing but a ball which is embedded into this slit. These are the eyelashes, more lashes on the corner. The size of the nose is exactly half from eyebrow to the upper part of chin. Upper part of chin, lower part of chin, upper part of the chin. Exactly in the middle of it is the tip of the nose or the base of the nose. Make a spread out U here, a spread out U. Make a little curvature here and have the nostril flap. Remember, friends, I have taken the most difficult area where most of the students think that they cannot take the design as their career. Portrait making. And here it is simplified. Now, exactly in the middle between the tip of the nose and upper part of the chin is this line. The line between the two lips. So first of all, you can take that line. How big should be the line? How big is the slit of the lips is equal to the one of the eye. Then like a bow, arrow and bow, bow and arrow. You know, you can have the shape of the bow here and a little curvature for the lower lip. Give a little smile to the guy. Yeah. Now, between the eyebrow and the head, you got enough space for hair to be adjusted. In case of a male, take a long half moon curvature, and on the sides also take half moon curvature. On top of it, you can have the fluff of the hair. Yes, I stop here because I haven't done the external pinna. See, the pocket that I was talking about over here accommodate the external pinna, the ears. So how do they go like? From the eyebrow, it starts, and right up to the level of the nose is the attachment of the external pinna. and the flap down below. Do the same exercise. This goes as much high as is the eyebrow, starting right from the corner of the eye. Between ear and the chin is the space where you will have the neck. In case of male, you should have the trapezium muscle, the muscle at the back of your neck as a part of the shoulder. The distance between chin and epigastrium, the nipple line, is equal to one head. So we take that as well. I call it as epigastrium. That looks more sophisticated. And the distance between middle of the chest to the outer of shoulder is also equal to one head in case of males. In case of females, it is 3/4 head. So making a drawing that of male or female figure, particularly the face, is so very easy, friends, and should not be a hindrance if you are with me for learning design. Even you can see that the difficult part of drawing can be made so very easy. Now, shading part also can be handled at the same time. Think that there is a light from one part of the one side of the face. All elevation will have light and all depressions will have shades. For shading purpose, I use sleeping pencil because that sleeping pencil takes the texture of the paper and looks so beautiful, makes it interesting. Okay, friends. So we get a well made and well designed human face in a simple way. That easiness will carry on. And I told you this is the most difficult area of learning. Rest of it becomes so very easy, even if you can handle this big this difficult area of design or learning sketching in a simple way. Rest of it will be even more easier. Thank you very much for being with me. See you then anytime in my class. Thank you. Bye bye.